Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This morning, when I was out doing a bit of shopping, I ran into one of the parents of a kid who was in my daughter's year at primary school. They now go to separate secondary schools, but we got talking about how our kids are doing, how they're finding secondary school, where they're thinking of applying to for sixth form college, which is what kids often go to from 16 to 18 here in the UK, and what A-levels they're thinking of doing. These are the subjects you specialise in from 16 to 18. I mentioned that my daughter is hoping to do history, politics and sociology, all things I'm very interested in myself. So it was no surprise to me when the other parent responded by saying, "Oh, really? She's a chip off the old block then." If you describe someone as being a chip off the old block, you basically mean that they're just like one of their parents in terms of their character, their personality, their interests, or, less often, their appearance. So for me personally, my mum was a primary school head teacher, and here I am as an English language teacher. So I guess you could say I'm a chip off the old block. My daughter can sometimes be a bit gobby, a bit lippy. She's got a mouth on her and she can be quite confrontational on occasion, which can be quite annoying, but I also recognise that I've only myself to blame for this because, in this respect, she's a bit of a chip off the old block. One more example. Recently I saw a photograph of an old friend of mine's son who's now 21. And when I saw the photo, it was really weird because it was like looking at my friend when he was 21. We grew up together and we've known each other most of our lives. So I responded by saying, "Jesus, he looks just like you did when you were 21. A real chip off the old block there." If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use a chip off the old block.